this is, coming at you with another video. It's been a minute. So on this video, I'm gonna basically be installing my Strut Tower Brace on the 2011 V6 Camaro, okay? So basically, there's a kit you guys have to have, because I haven't seen a lot of people on YouTube doing this, and I had to find and dig for a lot of information just on YouTube and just on in and out forums to be able to get this Strut Tower Brace on. So basically, this is for anybody who needs to put an adapter kit on their strut brace, because basically I got the Strut Tower Brace, but it wouldn't fit on, because these Strut Tower Braces are basically their cylinder all the way around. They don't have the indent on the later 2011 models and beyond. Okay, so this is specifically for anybody who has an early fifth gen, specifically on a 2010 or early 2011 model fifth gen, because most of these strut towers come with the cylinder, like the cone cylinder strut tower right here. It doesn't have that indentation, so you can be able to just mount the strut brace right on. Okay, you need an adapter kit. So basically, if yours looks just like this, like a cone shape, and it has no indent right here, you need this. This video is for you. Okay, so basically, where you can get that adapter kit it's a company called TPIS, and they make this specifically for early fifth gen Camaro, specifically for the 2010 and early 2011 models. I believe later in the year, I think after June of 2011, they started making the tower braces with the indentation here, so you don't need to get this kit. But anything from June and prior to June 2011, you need this adapter kit to put on your car. Okay, so basically they make the kit, I believe it was like $179, something like that. It comes with all the proper hardware and, you know, all the little bits and pieces that you're gonna need to install this. Scrolling through the internet copiously, this is the only people that I found that actually make this adapter kit, unless you guys have your own you know, metal shop or machine shop and you can fabricate and do this yourself. But this is the only known manufacturer that produces this kit. Okay, so if you guys are going to order, and I'll put all that information in the bio, I'm just letting you know ahead of time. You got to be patient. Okay, so anyway, so you're basically gonna just be drilling, because you have to, you know, drill these holes yourself. You're gonna be drilling 3 holes on the driver's side, but this one's gonna be a little bit more difficult to do, because you got to make sure everything lines up. So you know, you got to fit it and, you know, mark it accordingly. But on the passenger side here, it's going to be real easy, because let's see here, because these holes already have welding indentations. Only thing you have to do is drill through these 3. So you got 1 here, 1 there, and then you're going to have to drill through this guy. So this lines up pretty perfectly, because this this shock strut right here that actually holds the hood up, this factory piece is actually, you're gonna have to take this off. Okay, and that's gonna get replaced basically with this piece right here, and this is gonna sit on just like that, and then you just mount this this shock support onto your actual bracket right there. Okay, so yeah, it's pretty straightforward. I don't see it being too difficult to do. Only thing you got to make sure is, obviously, once you take this guy off, you properly have your hood, you know, propped up so it doesn't obviously fall on you. But other than that, it's pretty straightforward instructions. And yeah, pretty much it, man. So we're finna go on and get it done, man. All right, guys, so here we go. We got the holes drilled in. We got the adapter kit mounted on both sides. Okay, all bolts in there. So only thing I have to do right now is, initially I thought I was gonna have to jack the car up and take the wheels off, just so I can be able to get under the wheel well and get under the wheel well and tighten these from the underside of the strut tower there. But I found out a more safer way, I should say, to actually do this, and that is to remove these front fenders, and then you'll have plenty access to just go in there, and that way you don't have to jack the car up or, you know, take the wheels off or anything. And it's actually, all right, guys, so here we are. We got the fender off, and as you can see, I got easy access to go ahead and mount that bolt onto the strut tower there. So that was the easiest one. We have two more to mount, and they're kind of, I'll try to position the camera so hopefully we could see those other two. And as you can see, there goes one. It's gonna be a little tricky, but we're gonna get them. It's a lot easier to get it without this fender on here. Okay. Yeah, but they're back there. We're actually on here on the driver's side now, and let's see if I can get a better picture of these bolts. So there's one bolt right there, and then we got the other two. Kind of can't see it because that shock's in the way. There's another one right there, and the other one's a little bit around. It's a little difficult to get to, but I got to the other ones just fine. Took a little bit of time, but it's all right. But yeah, man, it's a pain, man. Definitely helps if you have a 2012 and up when you're getting this strut tower brace, man, because doing this adapter kit, man, it's a little bit more difficult than I thought, but we got it on there. Just gotta button this driver side down and we're good to go. Passenger side's already done. Yep. So we're all mounted up. Got both sides. Mounted the proper hardware under the strut towers, and we're up and fully functioning. I got the hood support mounted up right, and we're good to go, man. So that's basically what you would do if you had to get an adapter kit for 2010 or 2011 V6 or V8 Camaro strut tower brace. That's how you install it. All right, catch you guys on the next one.